Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I have a not huge unboxing, but it's a lot of packages from BzzAgent. It is 5 packages, and ever since I moved here, I feel like they've been sending me more. And I actually have like 3 or 4 more already coming this way, so I might as well open these already before I get too many. So anyways, let's get started. I'm going to begin with this little package right here, and this is by BzzAgent, obviously. And if you guys don't know what BzzAgent is, it is a company that sends out free products. I will have them linked down below. It is completely free to sign up. So anyways, I already opened up the first one, and let's check this out. It comes bubble wrapped. For a second I thought they sent me a chocolate. It's just a little paper that tells me what to do with my product. And so they sent me the Aveda, the art and science of pure flower and plant essence. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty cute little sample. It is 0.85 fluid ounces. So I'm glad I read the back. This is actually for hair. I was thinking of putting it on my face. But anyways, it says, after shampooing, smooth through damp hair, leave on 2 through 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly. So let me smell this. I can't really smell anything. That's what it looks like. Maybe it doesn't have a scent. Anyways, I'm super excited to try this out and see if it actually moisturizes my hair or does anything good for my hair. Okay, so that was the first product. Okay, now the next thing is this little box right here. And let's see, it comes with a paper. It looks like a packing slip. And this one is from Zesty Paws. So that's exciting. So it's for my hairy children. And they only sent me one thing. Not that I'm complaining, I'm just showing you guys. So they sent me the Zesty Paws LA Immune Bites. Or LA. I don't know. It's because LA in French means to go. So I don't know if that's how you're supposed to pronounce it. Anyways, these are immune system bites. And it supports the immune system. It is for seasonal allergies and skin and gut health. And the closest hairy child that I have to a puppy is Max, my huge dog. I mean, he's still considered a puppy until he's 24 months. And he's like 18 months, 19 months old. So yeah, I'm going to be giving him these vitamins right here. And it says to give him only one. I'm going to open it up and smell it. Okay, it is closed. Okay, they stink, but they kind of look good. So that's what it looks like. It has like sugar on top or something. It looks, oh, that's cute. It's like little hearts. Look at that, how adorable. Anyways, I'm going to be giving this to Mask. I'm going to be giving these to Max. Hopefully he likes them. If not, I'm just going to give them to Bartolo and Bimbo. So it says natural yeast, and it also says that it's milk-like, and it also has colostrum, so it's like breast milk, so it helps the immune system. So yeah, we will see if he likes these, and they look good. I mean, if I was a dog, I would eat these. Anyways, so that's pretty exciting. It does come with 90 soft chews, and it is lamb flavor. So we will see if he likes lamb. Okay, now the next box is this little one right here, and we will see what I got in this little one. Ta-da! Oh, it's actually wrapped. What is this, my precious? Cool. So they sent me a body butter by The Body Shop, and it is the Moringa for dry skin moisturizer. This is it right here. It's a pretty big tub. This is vegan, and I'm super excited to try this out. And it is for dry skin, and during fall and winter my skin gets really dry, so I'm going to be applying that to my legs to keep them moisturized. Hopefully this works. I've never tried a Moringa body butter or body lotion or anything. I've tried Moringa teas and vitamins, but not body lotion, so I'm excited. And this is what it looks like. Smells really good. I love this. It feels nice and buttery. Okay, it smells delicious. So I'm really happy about that, and I can't wait to try it out. Anyways, that was the third box that I opened. Now I'm going to be opening this other package. And what did I get? Oh, nice. Okay, so they bubble wrapped it again. They sent me another card of how to review and whatnot. And they sent me the number 7 Radiance Plus 15 degrees 15% vitamin C serum. Brighter and glowing skin in just one day. Suitable for all skin types. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try this out. I've tried many things by number 7 and I really like it. It's a pretty good brand. This potent treatment reveals your skin natural radiance by improving the appearance of skin texture, tone, and complexion. Visibly reduces the appearance of uneven skin tone and pigmentation. Dual skin is left looking instantly glowing. And I'm supposed to use this in the morning and at night, so I'm really excited. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this one before. And so this is what it looks like. I think I've tried this one before actually. Like now that I see the bottle, unless it was like a smaller sample. This is 0.84 US fluid ounces. Smells like oranges. I think I've used this before. See, that's what it looks like. It's a dropper. Smells really good. Anyways, super excited for this. And lastly, we have this box right here, and this is also by BzzAgent. Obviously, this is a BzzAgent unboxing video. Let's see, what did I get in this box? Ta-da! Ooh, corn chips, or chickpea chips. I've never had this before. That's exciting. I love getting food. So they sent me the Orchard Valley Harvest chickpea chips and white cheddar, and this is what it looks like. I've never tried this brand before. I don't think I have. And I've never tried white cheddar chips. And let's see, it's only 140 calories. Oh, for only 19 chips. And there's 3 servings. 3 servings in this bag. I feel like it's 1 serving. It's gluten free. It says Orchard Valley Harvest chickpea chips are delicious and full of flavor to satisfy your salty snack cravings. Made from chickpeas, these crunchy chips are strong enough to dip and made with real ingredients. White cheddar. Sharp white cheddar and a dash of garlic and onion round out this bold and cheesy flavor. Orchard Valley chickpea chips are crispy, crunchy, and deliciously satisfying. Let's test these out. See if they're good. If they're not good, I'm just going to save them for my boyfriend. Kind of smells like dog food, to be honest. And that's what it looks like. It looks like Fritos, but bigger. I feel like they're too salty for me. I could taste the onion and the garlic, and it tastes pretty good. I like it. I just wish it wasn't that salty. See, that's what they look like. Yeah, but they're too salty for me. I can't eat a bunch of them. I'm not a salty person. I don't think I would ever purchase these again. But anyways, that is everything that I got from BzzAgent. I got 4 things or 5 things. The body butter, the vitamins, the hair mask, the serum, and the chips. So I'm super excited to try all of these things out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have signed up to BzzAgent and what have you guys received. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.